Hindi ko nang taniya ka na? Oo. Kana sa kuan. Okay, so katong
Beverly, accept CPOs and you are also
maulak ko dito.
Sige. Sir, ako lagyan mo yung format. Sabay na ta later. Ako ba na pwede na po mag-take?
Congratulations and happy birthday. And I hope na forever na din mo.
Well, this life will be hard, but you and me both.
So, hi guys. So, it's currently 9 p.m. na and naka-makeup ako. My makeup is on. And baligo ko karon kay grabe kalagkit ang akong lawas. And congratulations sa kuan, sa newlywed. And now, namin diri nagstay sa North Point, Camellia. And diri na namin matulog. Then, by tomorrow, aagan lang kami gigising para mag-prepare kasi may work pa ako bukas. So yeah, maliligo muna ako. And by the way guys, I'm bringing my pangmalakasang syrup. Then after kung maligo, maglalagay na ako ng aking skincare. And always, this is my maintenance. Yeah. Grabe ang kape ng eyelashes. But I love the makeup. I love the hair. So nice. So nice. Heart is something. Yes. Okay guys, I'm done. And now, mag-skincare na ta guys. Kay, we're going to sleep. Look at my face with this serum. Very healthy and hydrated. Jud kayo. So nice yun yung serum, no? And then, magkayong magtaka kung ang damit ko ay inulit ko lang. Yes, this is not expected na dito kami matutulog sa unit. So, yeah. Binalik ko lang yung sinuot ko. And then, nagkataon din, nagdala ako ng aking underwear. So, no need to A and B back to back na panty dahil kasi may dalang extra ang atin yun. So, ayun lang.